To begin, align the dots on the long stick and short stick, then push together until they lock in place. Attach the vacuum body. Then attach the vacuum head to the bottom of the stick. Now you'll need to charge the battery. You can do this with the vacuum on the wall mount or by separating the battery from the vacuum body. Either way, start by inserting the charger into the charging port on the battery. Then plug the charger into an outlet. When the vacuum is fully charged, the 3 battery indicator lights will turn solid for 5 minutes, then turn off. To use an attachment, press and hold the vacuum body release button and gently pull the vacuum body from the stick. Then slide your chosen attachment onto the vacuum body. The 2-in-1 crevice tool is used for cleaning tight corners and crevices, while the 2-in-1 pet tool is great for cleaning fur off of furniture. Now you're all ready to go with the Levoit LVAC 200 cordless stick vacuum.